All right, I want to thank one of my students, Curly Velos. She actually went and bought Photoshop for $9.99 a month, which was the cheapest version to do it. I'm glad she did it, but now my Photoshop tutorials are on a version right before they launched a new version. I want to show you guys how to find your tools again. Now listen up. Here's the previous video, okay? The rim layer now. I'm going to get super duper close to it once again. And I know I'm kind of repeating a couple of steps, but it doesn't hurt. Let me stop right where I just was. You saw how I went on the polygonal lasso tool, and when I clicked it, the drop menu appeared, and it gave me access to the polygonal lasso tool, the magnetic lasso tool, and the lasso tool itself, all right? I just want to show you guys the difference. The new version of Photoshop, see how it has a clipping mask here and there's nothing going on over here? They shortened all the tool shortcuts here. All your tools, if you do not see them over here, check it out. You go over into here, here's the new version. There's this 3 little dots that you're gonna see. It's on the bottom. Okay. Over here, it's gonna be on the bottom. I'm a little upset that it's not deselect. There you go, okay. See these 3 dots right here? All right, so when you click on this, it gives you all the tools, the blur, the magic eraser, the clone stamp, which you guys didn't learn yet. The polygonal lasso tool, the magnetic lasso tool is all right here. So guys, it's no longer here. You're like, yo, Reese, what's going on? Chill out. It's right here. All your stuff is right here. I got you. You guys are okay. Again, it's like when you buy a new phone, guys. You know, the things changed a little bit, but it's not a completely different literacy. It's just a few different bells and whistles. Here's your bells and whistles. That's really it. Everything else is pretty much the same. You guys will be fine. Okay? Continue in graphic design, and my newer videos are going to have the newer versions of Photoshop for new projects, I promise. All right, guys, you got this. Let's beat this coronavirus.